How to change Instagram name without waiting 14 days. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram, click on your profile at the bottom right, then click on edit profile. This is the main way to simply change Instagram name. Click on the name, and as you can see, you can only change your name twice within 14 days. I already have, so simply go back. Click on three lines at the top right. In here, scroll down. Scroll down till you find help option. Then click on help. In help, click on report a problem, which is the first option. Click on report problem without shaking. Include and continue. In here, you can simply give the reason why you want to change your name. You can simply give a valid reason. Somebody changed it by mistake, and Instagram will get back to you and change your name in that way. This is how to change Instagram name without waiting 14 days. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.